How's it going, guys? Today we're going to be taking a closer look at the 2025 Stratus 291 VQB. You have your pass-through storage up front here, little motion light so you can actually see what you're grabbing. If I take a step back, you can check out the camp side of this travel trailer. Really good size awning, and then towards the rear you're going to have your outdoor kitchen. So you have a fridge to keep your drinks cold, little pull-out griddle, as well as a sink. Looking down at the tires, this camper is dual axle. You do have nice solid steps underneath that entry door, and if we take a step on the inside, we're going to start with our main bedroom, which is at the very front. You have a queen size bed. You do have pocket doors on either side, as well as surrounding storage, windows on the left and the right, and then of course you do have storage underneath the mattress as well. This camper has one slide out altogether. This one's going to consist of your dinette. It does fold into a bed, and then next to that you're going to find your theater seating. What I really love about this theater seating is that in the middle you have a little flip up option in case you need a little bit of extra elbow room, but in the middle you have cup holders and chargers. Across from all of that, you're going to find your kitchen area. This kitchen area has your single basin sink, cutting board, microwave, 3-burner cooktop. Really a good looking kitchen. I love the Subway backsplash. You have your entertainment center right next to that with your smart TV and fireplace. And then if we go towards the back on the left, we're going to check out your bathroom. So you have your porcelain toilet down below, a little bit of storage, sink, medicine cabinet, and then your shower is going to be on the left hand side with your skylight up above for a little bit of extra headroom. You have some storage before we head into your bunk room. Now this bunk room is going to sleep up to 4 kiddos. You have windows on the top, windows on the bottom, and then a little bit of storage in the middle, as well as underneath this one. All right, guys, this is going to be your 2025 Stratus. Thank you so much. Have a great day. With our main bedroom, which is at the very front, you have a queen size bed. You do have pocket doors on either side.